Mochi, did you break the glass door? Mochi, look at me. You broke the glass door, huh? You're crazy.
Does it say something?
Mochi breaks glass.
Mochi what?
Breaks glass. Very clever. Very artsy.
So on my laptop I have a running to-do list of all the things that I need to get done with the van and just with life. And I use sticky notes, so I can move this around, I can change the colors, and my background is categorized with a to-do list, which is this section. And then over here I have photography, and I changed all my folder colors, which is actually a really cool thing you can do. And then up here I have my video section, so I export all the videos. I have my YouTube folder, and I have another little sticky note that again I can kind of move around, and I have different video projects I want to work on. So this is kind of how I've been staying organized with my van build and getting all these projects done, whether that's a van project or a video project. Like a crown. It's a unicorn thing.
I got it from New Mexico, actually.
Let me try.
I don't think so.
Wait, I didn't even watch you do it.
Just trying to do it. Never introduced properly. My name's Taylor.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, go to 30. Oh.
Hand hug.
that how you do it?
His throne and cape are decorated with lions and salamanders, both symbols of fire and strength. The salamanders, biting their own tails, represent infinity and the ongoing drive to move forward against all obstacles. That's so cool.
Yeah, I really like that.
Okay, upright. The King of Wands represents pure fire energy in its masculine form. Unlike the other Wands court cards, the king is not so interested in creation and creativity or in dreaming up ideas and implementing them himself. Instead, he is more inclined to take an idea and then enlist others to help him actualize it. Thus, when the King of Wands appears in a tarot reading, it is a sign that you're stepping in the role of visionary leader, that you're ready to direct people towards a common goal.
This is crazy.
You have a clear vision of where you want to go, and now you are manifesting that vision with the support of those around you. Just
those brittle teeth make up your smile, hiding the war inside you. Beautiful mess, get up, get dressed, and see yourself like I do.
Okay, I'm finally getting around to fixing these, but I basically have a bunch of this extra trim, and for my back doors, if you can see a little bit of the lights coming in, which also means when it's dark outside and light inside, the light from inside also shows outside. And this just happens because I'm a measure once, cut twice kind of person, and when I measured the windows to make these window covers, because I made all these window covers myself, I measured wrong and it was too small, and yeah, so I just had to troubleshoot and get creative and make this little trim. But I wish I made the windows the right size, whatever. And the reason they're down is because I had gotten my van fixed. My back doors were broken, so yeah, I'm gonna tape them. So I got this box on my van and I thought we'd open it and Taylor's afraid it's a bomb. I think it's probably just something cute. Okay, it's wrapped. What if it's a crystal?
It's a hacky sack.
What's
no,
that?
What is that? It's a fortune cookie.
Oh, that's
Wait, what does
so
it say?
cute.
I recommend that for now you give up hope of achieving utter certainty and instead celebrate the refined pleasures of nuanced, complicated truth.
That's what your tarot card said, basically. This is crazy. This is the cutest thing ever. Doesn't this make you want to do it to someone else?
Yeah.
I feel like I have to pay this forward and give something to someone else through the box. So I'm gonna give them petrified wood that I found in Utah. And I'm gonna give them a little crystal that I wire wrapped. I think I'm gonna give him this one. Right there. I don't know. I think that one looks kind of cool. I saw this van over in that direction and I think that's the person I'm gonna give it to because I don't know. I think van lifers are cool. So. A stranger gave me a little fuck. I don't want to say that either. And I'm feeling nervous that this person is gonna drive out. Okay. Okay, a stranger left me a present on my van in this little box, so I thought I'd do the same. This is a piece of petrified wood with smoky quartz that I found in Utah, and a piece of turquoise that I wire wrapped. I don't know why I'm nervous.